Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press the middle button again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called connectivity. Tap on it, then select the Wi-Fi option. Here make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. Once it is, scroll down and find the add network option. Once you find it, tap on it. It will open the list of nearby networks. Find the network you want to connect to. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. Then you can select enter on a phone or enter on the watch, depending what you like. If you want to enter the password on the phone, tap on enter on phone. It will open the window where you can enter the password, or you can tap on enter on watch and it will open the keyboard on your watch and you can enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and once you enter the password, you can tap on the check mark and it should start connecting to the network. Let's wake up the screen, go back to settings, connectivity Wi-Fi. Let's check the saved networks. It doesn't seem to connect to the network. Let's try again. Let's try, maybe select this one, enter the password on the watch. Okay. And this time it worked. As you can see, I entered the password and now it says connected on the network. And if you go to the save networks, you will see that the network is right here. So that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.